All right, boys and girls, week number 6 coming at you. Hope you're ready for it. Let's get going. Why, hello everybody, and welcome back to Mr. R's YouTube channel. I am so happy you could join me again for week number 6 now. First up, I want to say that last week was one of the most amazing weeks that I had. I loved everybody who sent me a video or a picture. It was so uplifting to know that you are keeping music in your house. So if you send me a video or picture, thank you so much. Hello everybody, and welcome to week 6 of Mr. R's music class. I'm so happy you're here, just like every single week. Thank you for joining me. In the description, it says this is the last week of the Kaboom Percussion Cup Rhythm game, and that's exactly what it is. 2 weeks ago, I introduced you to it. Imagine that was the introduction. Last week was like level 2, and now this week is the hardest level, level 3. So you better get your thinking cap on, and let's go. So this week, in order to make our challenge a little bit more difficult, is I'm going to teach you 2 patterns. They'll be kind of similar to the patterns that we've already learned, but what makes it harder is that while you're playing one pattern, I'm going to be playing a completely different pattern. That means you're going to have to do this thing which is called ignoring me. If you haven't done so already, make sure you have your cup and hard surface ready to go. Alright, so pattern 1 is a pretty simple pattern. We're going to take the cup, put it in our hand, hit the table 2 times. Just like that. Taking both hands, we're going to hit the table 3 times. Pretty fast. So I hit the cup 2 times, and then the table 3 times. Easy enough. And then what do we do at the end? We just clap our hands. And repeat the pattern over and again. Pattern 2 is again a really easy pattern. You're going to have no problem learning this pattern. Take the cup, again, it doesn't matter which hand we put it in, and we're going to simply hit the table sideways, so kind of hit the cup sideways, the table sideways, however you want to think of it. We're going to hit it there, and then hit it with our hand. Simple, easy pattern, I know. So now that we have both patterns learned, like I said, the hardest part is you're going to do one pattern while I'll do the completely different pattern. So I'm going to do pattern 1. Remember, pattern 1 was the... and pattern 2 was the... So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to start first with pattern 1, and when I say go, you start with pattern 2. Easy enough? I think so. But to make things a little bit more exciting, we're going to need some music. So hit it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to start first, and I'll let you know when to come in with your pattern. Remember, you're doing pattern 2. You're doing the table and hand pattern. I'm doing pattern 1. So I'll go first, not you. You just wait and watch the magic happen. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, you're gonna come in with your pattern. Are you ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Remember, you're not doing my pattern. You're doing a completely different pattern. Keep going. Great. Now what we're going to do is we're going to switch roles. I'm going to do pattern 2, and you're going to do pattern 1. So I'll go first. So this is pattern 2. This is what you should have just been doing. And when I say go, you're going to do your pattern. Are you ready? So 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Remember, you're not following me. You're doing your own pattern. Are you doing it? I hope so. And just to make sure that we're all on the same page, let's do both patterns together at the same exact time. That way, I know you're doing the right thing and I'm doing the right thing. So let's do pattern 1 together. Are you ready? Pattern 1 together. Are you ready? So 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. All right, I want you to keep on going. Don't stop this pattern. You keep doing this pattern. I'm gonna change it, but you keep saying the same. Ready? You keep going. There you go, you got it. Keep that pattern 1 going. Remember, you're not following, you're not doing me, you're not doing this thing. We're almost to the end. Keep it going. Don't give up. Awesome job, everybody. I know, really hard when I'm doing a completely different pattern than you, but that's what makes music more exciting. If everyone always did the exact same thing together, music would be really boring. We wouldn't have these layers of different instruments. So, what I want you to do is, if you didn't do a good job, stop this, rewind it, and do it again, and keep on practicing it. Next week, we're going to do a completely new lesson, so I hope you're going to enjoy it. And everybody, as always, make sure you stay safe, be happy, and try to keep some music in your life. Bye, guys.